Hello people, I wanted to publish video tutorial how to use Spline Rail Modifier because you can control polygons by spline. Okay, the issue with this tool is when you want to use this as quick as possible, sometimes it can be challenging. Because some tools do not work before you apply some other extra settings. So after when you apply extra settings, they will be working okay. Okay, but today I will show you as quick as possible because I am updated my video tutorial. Last time I published old video tutorial, it was from 2018. Now you will watch in higher resolution video and better quality. Okay, I will close project and I will add it to the scene cube. Make sure you make a editable object because you can go further, you can work further and you can do further modifications of the object. We will subdivide our polygons. I wonder what was shortcut keyboard to select all because I don't have keyboard shortcuts assigned, but you can assign, but I will not do that. Layouts. Okay, I don't have time to do that right now. I will have to tell you, by right mouse button you will click and we will go to panel subdivision. I will subdivide polygons up to 4 times and I will use subdivision smoothing maximum angle. I added as many polygons as possible because we will have beautiful deformation. I like Cinema 4D, but you sometimes have to think how to connect modifiers in proper order. I believe this will have to be connected to cube, but first I will draw spline. First, spline. And the second is, I added what I didn't need. You can still connect some given surface, but we don't need this right now. Spline, right, spline left. It is easier for me. I will call this left. I will have to check if I connect by proper order, because as I remember, this was probably connected that way. And I will import one of the splines quickly by left mouse button. We will drag here. I think I connected properly. You can see modifications taking place. I believe you can still clear this if you consider it not to be properly connected. Spline. You can manipulate spline. The only issue is I don't like keyboard shortcuts in Cinema 4G. This is not proper direction. You can still clean if you consider wrong direction to be wrong direction. Okay, where to move this? Okay, I will try to rotate. You can even rotate Spline. Okay, the thing is, I have to check what I'm doing. Because I have to see Spline visible. You can edit polygon when you modify Spline. This is my updated video tutorial, dear people. I wonder what I done wrong. Okay, I will get rid of this because I have to apply. I have to apply new spline rail modifier. You can still delete this, edit cut. You can add a completely brand new spline. I'm a little bit angry because I don't like keyboard shortcuts in Cinema 4D. Spline rail. This has to be connected to left. We also have some other beautiful settings. I saw extra settings. Okay, let's check. We also have like angle. I will show you what this tool does because I probably didn't see this tool before. Okay, just give me a few seconds because I have to scale this page a little bit. I wonder if I can still move a polygon inside. Okay, we got option like angle. This is to do with some division interpolation of the curve object. I didn't see this in old version of Cinema 4D. Oh, I like the shape of polygon. I wish I had used the longer curve. Oh, this works that way. If you can still subdivide your curve object. Wait a minute, where I went? Segments. Add subdivide. I didn't add the bottom curve. You can still add extra curve. I don't know what it does reference do because I never had the opportunity to use reference. Close spline. V-spline. Uniform. You also have some other extra settings. They have updated something in this application because I was using old version of Cinema 4D, old tutorial. I hope you like this video tutorial. I have to get back to you in a few seconds because I haven't finished video tutorial. And people, I'm glad that they added pause the recording to open broadcaster software because Sometimes my mother disturbs me when I publish video tutorials. Okay, I will take a group of objects together. Uh, oh, actually, this is possible to do that. But the thing is, when I try to edit left polygon, uh, it doesn't show up. Maybe group supposed to be last. I don't know if I can do that. Anyway, I wanted to show you. You can do amazing shapes when you work with Spline Rail Modifier. Or you could group together all objects, spline to this. And they will follow polygon object. Yes, I completely forgotten to mention that. So it will. This I must scale. You can scale edit polygon. If you consider it to be too ugly, or if this has too many edges. Dissolve. But this won't have too many segments. Actually, I have to remove some of the polygon segments. You can still add a modifier, like subdivision surface. But it's not as good as you think it is. Also, you can add where is this? Modeling tag, Pong. This will create more beautiful shape and it will not have ugly sharp edges. Create normal tag. Oh, also, I also like this. Oh no. Sorry, something went wrong. Oh, now it looks okay. I just have to double check my spline. It could be more beautiful. Wait a minute. I'm pressing wrong button on my keyboard. I wonder if I can scale this. No, don't do that. But you can manipulate. Let's check this. I wanted to publish also different video tutorial. I will have to check how far I can go with my modification of Spline. I hope you like my video tutorial. Have a nice day, people.